Traditionally, wax seals are used to close an envelope, but I'm going to show you 3 ways to dress up your party favors. The first favor I'm going to show you how to wrap up is a Boozy favor. I got these cute little champagne bottles, and I'm using this thin white tissue paper, placing the bottle directly in the center, and taking diagonal corners, 2 sheets, pulling them up, matching them around the bottle, and then pulling the other 2 corners up. And then gently, without making too many wrinkles in the paper, kind of scrunch around the neck where we're going to tie a nice pretty cord. And now for the fun part, the wax seal. So I'm using a rose gold wax, and it actually goes in a glue gun. So what I'm going to do is just do 3 squirts. And for this bottle, I'm using a pretty seal that says, "For you." And I'm just going to place it right on there. And you notice I let it sit for a few seconds so that it's not super hot and the seal isn't going to fall right down to the silicone pad. It's going to have a little thickness, and leaving it there for about 10 seconds or so. Let it cool off. And then you can pop it off of your silicone paper really easily. And you can see how lovely that turned out. So we have our cord there, and because I'm just working with this sealing wax gun, I'm just going to put a little dot, 1 squirt on my seal, and right over the knot of the cord, just press on that wax seal. So that's one favor. Now we're going to do a living favor, a plant. So I have a new glue gun with gold wax sticks in it. Same technique, we're going to do 3 squirts. And we get a beautiful crest right there. And for this one, on my pot, I have a tinseled gold cord. And same thing, I'm going to do a little dot on there. Attach my little flag that says thank you. And then again, a little dot. You don't want too much because you don't want to remelt the seal you've created, and hold that on, right centered on your pot. And then you can plant that out with a beautiful, this is actually called creeping thyme, that your guests could plant in their garden and it'll fill up a beautiful area. It also looks wonderful because it drapes over and makes the pot look really pretty and rustic. And now for our last favor, we're gonna do a sweet favor. And who doesn't love macaroons? So I packaged up some macaroons in a little clear box so that you can see what's inside, but we're gonna seal it up with our wax seal. And for this one, we're gonna do a monogram. So I just picked a B monogram, and I'm gonna do it in white this time. Doing 3 squirts, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna seal my macaroons off with some ribbon. And I'm using a pretty blue grosgrain ribbon. And again, I'm gonna just do a tab of glue from the wax seal glue gun. Close it off like that. And then for this one, I'm gonna add a little bit of baby's breath. And I'll just add a little dot of glue on there like that. Or a little dot of wax seal, I should say. And then I'm gonna just attach that seal right on top of the macaroons. Press it down for a couple seconds, make sure it holds, and then you have a beautiful little sweet favor. Those are just 3 ways to use your wax seals, but if you have any good or clever ideas for using wax seals, leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching Personalized.